save wildlife. Wild animals live in jungle. They include a variety of animals like lion, tiger, giraffe, elephant, snake, etc. These animals maintain balance in nature. These animals may or may not be helpful to man. Man is continuously trying to explore the forests for various resources. As a result, he has become mean enough to kill wild animals for his own needs. Elephants are killed for ivory. Lions and tigers are killed for skin, and so on. Man is continuously engaged in hunting. He is mercilessly killing animals for his own pleasure. This is leading to decrease in number of animals in forest areas. If this continues, we will have no more tigers and lions. Extinct species. Certain species of animals which were present long time before and are not present now are known as extinct species. Dinosaurs are one of the extinct species. Further, as population is increasing, man needs more and more space for industries, housing cultivation, etc. Hence, he is clearing of the forests for his own needs. As a result, animals have to migrate to other areas. Some animals may die due to lack of food and water. Hence, it will again lead to decrease in population of animals. Thus, to save our wildlife, we should conserve forests. Forest need. Save the smallest seed. Let animals survive. Save and conserve wildlife.